Yes, be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Over the course of history, especially in the 19th and 20th century, the pace at which fundamental discoveries of basic science were uncovered was accelerating, as was the speed at which medical practice being transformed by these very inventions stopped. Since then, we have come a long way from Hooke's observation of a cell to advanced cure for several life-threatening diseases, so to prolong human life stop. One of the breakthroughs in medical field was organ transplantation, also referred as organ donation in layman terms stop. Defined as the surgical removal of an organ or tissue from one person bracket start the organ donor bracket close and placing that organ or tissue into another person bracket start the recipient bracket close. It has been one of the great advances in modern medicine stop stanza. In 1954, the world's first transplantation was undertaken by Ronald L. H., who donated a kidney to his identical twin brother Stope. The procedure was carried out by Dr. J. M., who also received the 1990 Nobel Prize in Medicine for his contributions to the field of organ transplantation Stope. Back in India, several attempts were taken in the 1970s to master the surgical procedures involving transplantations, and they were quite successful as well. Stop. However, the aftermath was that unrelated kidney donation from economically underdeveloped areas began to occur rapidly, along with the commercialization of organ donation becoming a recognized and accepted component of the program. Stop. The ethics of the transplants in India have always been precarious since this was acknowledged and certain evil deeds were tolerated as standard procedure. Stop. Further, this exploitation was clearly visible to the medical fraternity of both India and the West, which ultimately sparked protests within the country as there was no legislation to regulate such medical procedures. Stop. Yielding to the pressure mounted, the government passed the Transplantation of Human Organ Act in 1994. Stop. To this day, it is the sole legislation which governs the norms and procedures for organ donations. Stop. Today, as India is the third largest nation in the world where organ donations happen, has the THO Act been able to function effectively or been rendered ineffective due to enforcement snags? Stop. Provisions of the THO Act and its potency. Stop stanza. The Transplantation of Human Organ Act 1994 was passed to combat the illegitimate nexus of organ trafficking cartels which had formed their roots in the country and to surveil the whole endoskeleton of organ donation framework. Stop stanza. The Act in its initial stage was first enacted in Union territories and later in other states. Stop. The Act in its attempt to regulate transplantations defined various terms such as donor, recipient, appropriate authority, deceased persons start in cases where organs were to be harvested after death close and other appropriate terms. Stop stanza. The Section 2 of the Act contains such definition and defines a donor as any person not less than 18 years of age who voluntarily authorizes the removal of any of his human organs for therapeutic purposes under subsection within bracket 1 or subsection within bracket 2 of section 3 stop stanza. Here voluntarily signifies consent of the donor, but what about the cases where such consent cannot be obtained either due to injury or mental infirmity? Question mark. For this, the Act also has a provision where the decision can be taken up by the near relative, which refers to the legal heir oblique person. Stop stanza. Also, medical authorities have to register themselves under this Act in order to be deemed as legally authorized to carry out such procedures. Stop. Failing to do so would entail punishments if caught doing transplantations beyond reasonable doubt. Stop. Earlier, only kidneys used to be transplanted, but the Act recognized brain death as a type of death. Stop. With this recognition, it became possible to begin solid organ transplants for the liver, heart, lungs, and pancreas in addition to kidney transplants. Stop. The Act declared selling of organs to be illegal and lay out harsh punitive measures such as rigorous imprisonment and heavy fines on the offender. Stop. As the section 19A states, stop shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 1 year, but which may extend to 3 years, and shall be liable to fine which shall not be less than 5 lakhs rupees, but which may extend to 25 lakh rupees. Stop stanza. The Act not only has measures to deal with commercialization, but also in cases where an unauthorized transplant took place and later ran down heavily on them, with section 18 of the Act, which lays an incarceration of 3 years and fine of 5 lakh rupees. Stop stanza. Later, the Act received amendments in 2011 and 2014, which increased its purported scope of transplantation and increased the pool of donation by including grandparents and children as well. Stop. A set of definitions was added and a brainstem death board of 4 members was also constituted. Stop. This time there was also a mandatory inquiry and informing option to donate in case of unfortunate event of brain stem death of an ICU patient for the purpose of organ donation. Stop stanza.